Brought to you by JEGS.
So you want the benefits of fuel injection, but you don't want to give up the classic look of a carburetor? Holley gives you the best of both worlds with our new Terminator Stealth EFI systems. With our Stealth EFI systems, you get the same great features found in our popular Terminator EFI, but with a realistic carburetor look that can fool even the best of them. Stealth EFI incorporates 4 80-pound-per-hour injectors and is ideal for engines producing 250 to 600 horsepower. Just like its cousin the Terminator, Holley's Stealth EFI utilizes our popular 4150 style mounting flange, making the swap from carburetor to EFI super easy. Holley's plug-and-play harnesses make connecting to your engine a snap, literally. We've included a full-color 3.5-inch touchscreen for basic setup functions as well as advanced tuning operations. Simply follow the setup wizard and using your touchscreen, answer a few multiple-choice questions about your engine and transmission combination. Then you're ready to fire. The touchscreen doubles as a convenient gauge monitor, keeping you informed of your engine's performance. But best of all, you don't need any computer experience to use it. With the help of a wideband oxygen sensor, Stealth EFI tunes as you drive, delivering worry-free performance while maximizing your engine's fuel economy and power. Our advanced annular discharge ring flows more fuel and provides better fuel atomization, nearly eliminating the fuel delay issues found in outdated designs. The Stealth is capable of controlling ignition timing when used with a small cap HEI or Ford TFI distributor. Stealth EFI is also available in an optional trans control kit, capable of controlling your 4L80 or 4L60 transmission. Want to fine-tune or customize your engine's calibration? Stealth ECU can be upgraded, allowing laptop control without any additional cost. This download allows you to use your ECU with LSX, boosted, nitrous, and other popular engine platforms. The download and future software upgrades are available free of charge directly from our Holley website. Looking for a complete kit to help simplify your EFI installation? Now you can get your Stealth EFI in a master kit form, which includes a fuel pump, fuel filters, 40 feet of hose, a billet EFI regulator, and fittings including a bulkhead fitting for the return line to your fuel tank. You can get your Terminator Stealth fully polished or choose our popular hardcore gray finish. But for a true old-school appearance, you can now get the Terminator Stealth in our classic dichromate look. Get your Terminator Stealth EFI system from the carburetor experts themselves and enjoy the drivability of EFI. So you're thinking about purchasing the new Terminator Stealth EFI kit? Well, let's take a closer look at everything you'll get when purchasing this system. First thing you'll find is the instruction manual. And the heart of the system, the throttle body. You'll also find an ECU, a 4-foot CAN bus extension, hardware for mounting the ECU, a full color 3.5-inch touchscreen display. We've even included a stylus. First thing you'll find is the power harness. This connects directly to your battery positive and negative terminals. The main harness, which makes connecting to the throttle body and your engine's primary sensors a snap. A Bosch wideband O2 sensor, and a convenient no-weld O2 bung kit, which includes the gasket and the clamps. We also include a throttle body base gasket as well as an air cleaner gasket, studs to mount your throttle body to your intake manifold, and even a coolant sensor just in case your engine doesn't come with a 2-wire thermistor style sensor. Pre-assembled fuel line, -6 AN fittings, throttle and transmission cable adapters, an auxiliary wiring harness in case you want to connect your cooling fans or run a 2-step. And last but not least, a tach adapter harness. This is for use when you use a CD ignition box but you're not controlling timing with your ECU. Get your Terminator Stealth EFI system from the carburetor experts themselves and enjoy the drivability of EFI.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.